Hey, it's Jessica Scarpino from Caldwell Banker Realty, and today I want to make a video about our upcoming open house at 5 Bahia Court in Brick, New Jersey. Full disclosure, I have permission to do this. The listing agent is my friend. This is my listing, but me and Joe will be there showing the house during an open house on May 31st, which is this upcoming weekend from 1 to 3. So if this house interests you, please come stop by or give me a call if you want a private showing. But it's a really cute house, and if you're into like marina sports, this is a really good location for you. So here's just an overview. It's 1,800 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is listed for 710. This is because it's just steps away from the bay. And that's like the big selling point here. You're really close to two marinas with boat ramps. I mean, this is kind of like a fisherman or a boater's dream home to be so close. Also, it's been renovated and it's nice. So it's also a quieter part of Brick, and I say that because it is across from the National Wildlife Refuge and the nature boardwalk. It's kind of like on the end. It's not like right in the middle of everything. Like Brick is really big, and this is kind of like in a little bit on the outskirts, closer to the water. So it's a really, really nice location. So let's just take a quick peek. All right, so this is the front of it. It's got a pavered U driveway. You can tell that there's really nice houses all around it. It's a nice neighborhood. Let's see. Yeah, there's a side shot of it. Two porches. I would love to have a deck porch like this. This is such a nice feature. Okay, so as you can tell, it's, it's got the vinyl, the luxury vinyl. It opens up, the living room opens up to the kitchen to give it that open floor plan feel. It's a decent space. You can do a lot with this. You don't have to set it up this way, but it looks like they have it set up like living room, dining, kitchen, which is pretty common these days. Open floor plan. So I know that these cabinets may not be everyone's cup of tea, but they can be easily painted. The backsplash is really nice. So if this isn't your thing, they can easily be painted to gray or white. Some people really like this. This is something that is easily changeable, so I would not judge a house on the cabinet colors. They can be easily redone. Yep, got your stainless. A lot of kitchen pictures here. Oh. Okay, we'll just move on to the bathrooms real quick. Here's your full bath. Here's a half bath. Here's your bedrooms. All right, so there is carpet. I know that's not everybody's favorite thing, but easily removable. Remember, guys, this is about the location. I'm sure there's some kind of hardwood flooring, and if there isn't, you can just put the luxury vinyl down. That would take care of that. I know that's not what everyone wants to do. However, once again, this is more about the location. So, and there's your utilities. So let's take a look at the exterior one more time. You can see your views from the upper porch. There we go. That's the selling point. Here's the house, and here's the canal, and here's all the open waterway. This is what people are buying. So yeah, you have to overlook some of the cosmetic options in the house because really what you're buying is the proximity to the canal and to the marinas. You can tell that this is a higher end community in Brick. Brick is very big and it does vary by communities. Brick has a ton of residential neighborhoods with families. Brick has a ton of fishermen. Brick has a ton of beach houses. Like you kind of get everything in Brick. You can tell this community is definitely a fisherman boaters community. And it's, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Yep, that's what you're paying for. Location, location, location. I have to double check with the listing agent. I'm pretty sure she told me this is not in a flood zone. Oh, look at this. Seawood Harbor bike trails. This is the nature part of it I was talking about. It's like I said, it's a little off the beaten path compared to the other parts of Brick. So if you're someone who likes nature or you just like a little bit of a quiet atmosphere, this house can really be a good option for you. But anyway, we'll be there on Sunday, May 31st from 1 to 3. Come by and say hi. We'd love to show it to you and talk about other houses that are available in the area. So we'll see you then. Bye-bye.